Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5344P. This is a 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2 package with 122 for K. ZR2 looks fantastic, comes with the big 6.2. It's got that awesome front end, nice wheels on it. This is your off-road package. It does have diff locks front and rear. Fully loaded, power passenger seats. Nice two-tone interior that carries all the way through the dash onto the door panels. Factory running boards. Again, nice two-tone interior, tread pattern seats. Got this neat storage here in the back of the seats as well. Flip down console, rear heated seats. Plenty of room underneath there as well. Out back, we've got a tonneau cover mounted up top. A hitch on back with 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. And then a couple different backup camera setups for trailer towing and backing up the trailers, that type of thing. Rear sliding window. Really nice, clean truck. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. It's got memory seats. Again, both power on the driver's and passenger side. It's got a heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats, nice console shift here, dual climate controls, sunroof. This is your top of the line Chevy truck. Looks absolutely fantastic inside and out and drives equally as awesome. Again, stock number 5344, a 2022 Chevy 1500 ZR2.